In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Samia Mirza is here with you as there was a huge demand from you people that I must work on spoken English as well. So I am here to help you in this regard. But let me tell you, my dear learners, why spoken English has become so important in our lives. Why is it necessary? Because speaking English allows you to actually broaden your world from job opportunities to ability to relate to people from every country. And an estimated 1 billion people worldwide speak English. On top of these, 67 countries have English as their official language, and there are 27 countries that have English as their secondary official language. So, my dear learners, I'm here to help you to speak English fluently. And let me share some tips also. Tip 1 is learn phrases. Tip number 2 is listen to more English. And the tip number 3 is practice speaking by yourself. So, I have prepared some phrases for you. Let's see it. What brings you here? आप कैसे तशरीफ़ लाए? How are the things? क्या हालात हैं? How do you do? आप कैसे हैं? What time is it? क्या वक्त हुआ है? What happened? क्या हुआ? What can I do for you? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What's going on? क्या हो रहा है? What's your good name? आपका नाम क्या है? What have you been up to today? आज सारा दिन क्या करते रहे? It's too hot outside. बाहर बहुत गर्मी है. And dear learners, in these days you can say that it's too cold outside. Am I right? Okay. What's your opinion? आपकी क्या राय है? My eye is twitching. मेरी आंख फड़क रही है. His intention is wrong. उसकी नीयत खराब है. With the curd. दही फेंट दो. Live and let live. जियो और जीने दो. And dear learners, that must be the policy of our people. And we must work on it. Live and let live. Don't shoot arrows in the dark. तुक्के मत मारो. What did it say? क्या कहा? That's my fault. ये मेरी गलती थी. Attention please. तवज्जो फरमाएं. Go on. बात जारी रखो. There's no way left now. अब कोई रास्ता बाकी नहीं है. What's the use of crying now? अब रोने से क्या फ़ायदा? Wring the clothes. कपड़े निचोड़ दो. Keep it in your mind. इसे अपने जहन में रखो. Why are you jealous? तुम क्यों जल रही हो भाई? I'm not at peace here. मेरा यहाँ दिल नहीं लगता. I'm not at peace here. And who are you to ask this? तुम कौन होते हो ये पूछने वाले? I will tackle him. मैं उससे निमट लूँगा. Please do come again. दोबारा ज़रूर आइएगा या दोबारा ज़रूर आना. I had been compelled. मैं मजबूर हो गया था. You will have to admit it. तुम्हें ये मानना पड़ेगा. Don't hesitate. हिचकिचाओ मत. Please don't be mad at me. ब्राय करें मुझ पर मत भड़कें. I'm not feeling well today. आज तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. See you later. आपसे बाद में मिलूँगा. You have got fat. तुम मोटी हो गई हो. Isn't it a very interesting sentence? Oh, yeah. But don't say it to the girls. Just remember. So, uh, next one is be seated, please. Tashreef rakhein. And peel the orange. Malta chil do. And you can say peel the apple. Okay? And peel the vegetables. So, my dear learners, I have given you some interesting phrases you can use in your daily language, because the more you practice, the better you get and more confident you will become. When you practice important phrases, it becomes easy for you to speak English fluently. See you again in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.